So I got this square plaque from Hobby Lobby. It has a bead hanger. It was $9.99 and I got it with the 50% off. I found these paper straws from Christmas Tree Shop. These were $1.99 and they came 50 in a pack. And what I did was I took my hot glue gun and one full-length straw and placed it on the right side of the square plaque. And then I took another straw and placed it on the left side. And then I just cut another straw to fill in the space to the left of my first straw. And then I cut another big straw to fill in that space. And I basically just took the paper straws and I would rotate from left and right, placing the full straw down. And then I would just cut the second straw to the length needed so that it reached across the entire square plaque. I used about 100 straws, so I used 2 full packs. And I just thought these straws were a nice pattern. And if you cannot find sunflower straws, I feel like you can do this. The Dollar Tree has many different paper straws for the different seasons and holidays. And I just repeated this until the entire square plaque was covered with the paper straws. Next, I found this boxwood wreath at Target. It was in the front section where they have the $1 and $3 supplies. And I got this for $3. And I took my hot glue gun and I just put some glue around the ring of the wreath. And I attached it to the center of the square. You can also find these small wreaths at Hobby Lobby. Now this metal word came from Dollar Tree. It came in a 3-pack. And this says welcome. And to be honest, I had a hard time deciding on what color to paint it. So right now it's painted with the goldenrod from Wise Owl Paint. And I just took some E6000 and I attached the welcome word to part of the wreath. And I just have these small clamps that I just clamped in place to allow the E6000 to dry. And once that was fully dry, I then painted it with the chocolate from Wise Owl, and I still wasn't happy with the color of the welcome. I felt like all the colors I was picking were just blending too much with the wreath and the straws. So I decided on Higgins Lake from Wise Owl. And this actually was the color I settled on. So you do not have to paint your welcome sign 4 times, but I just was having a hard time deciding. And there you go. Now we just have this welcome wall hanging that we made out of some paper straws. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials over on our YouTube or our webpage. Have a great day.